to my YouTube channel and welcome to another vlog. Guys, I just got done with my breakfast and tea and I am going to make my bed now and then we'll start with our day. Let's see what all things I do today, and whatever I do, I will take all of you guys along with me. So yeah. Alright guys, done with making my bed, and that is the very first thing I do in the morning because I like my space to be clean and cozy. So yeah, that's that. Now currently the time is 10:15, to be very precise 10:13. Now it's time to start our study session number 1. So let's go. Guys, guess what? Let me show you the time first, okay? Here is the time, 12:23 p.m. And guess what? I completed my study session number 1. And oh god, I am super duper early today and I feel so happy about it. Now, what I'm planning to do is I will wash my face and uske baad I'll let you know what I'm planning to do. Alright? Guys, you know what? I just remembered one major mistake that I did and I wanted to share it with all of you. No one asked me, but TMI, that I literally forgot to have my multivitamin. So I am rushing downstairs to get my multivitamin tablets. So yes, guys, just now I took my multivitamin medicines and I don't know how, but I am forgetting to take my medicines and I do not like to skip my medicines. Okay, now why am I taking medicines? The reason is the doctor, specifically the dermat, put me on multivitamins because I am facing a lot of hair fall issues these days. So I decided to go to the doctor, and for that matter of fact, he prescribed multivitamins and a scalp lotion for about 1 month. So yeah, TMI, no one asked, but I'm telling you. So yeah, now let's go do face wash and I'll catch you then. Done with my face wash and now I am applying this chemical peel. Now I know majority of the people first take shower and then apply this chemical peel, but I am the kind of person who doesn't like to do all this after shower. I'm the kind of girl जो shower के बाद only likes to do skincare and get ready. So yeah, that's the thing. This chemical peel is really effective. First of all, not sponsored, let me tell you. I purchased this for the very first time. आपने हॉल में देखा ही होगा that it is my फर्स्ट टाइम परचेज. ये इतना इफेक्टिव है. आई यूज इट एवरी वीक एंड फर्स्ट यूज में ही इट लिटरली मेड माई स्किन सो स्मूथ, स्पेशली here in the chin area and here I had a lot of blackheads and whiteheads जिसके वजह से स्किन काफ़ी ज़्यादा रफ थी. It was very uneven. I had little bumps, but इसने literally first use में ही मेरी स्किन को सॉफ्ट कर दिया था. नाउ आई नो ब्लैकहेड्स रिमूव होने के लिए काफ़ी टाइम लगता है बिकॉज दे आर सीटेड डीप विथ इन. आई नो वाइट हेड्स तो इसने इंस्टेंटली रिमूव किए हैं. सो या सिर्फ इतना ही अमाउंट इसमें लेफ्ट है, बाकी मैंने पूरा यूज़ किया है. सो या डेफिनेटली परचेजिंग दिस अगेन वंस आई रन आउट ऑफ इट. सो या नाउ आई विल कीप दिस ऑन फॉर 7 minutes. मैं इसे बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम तक नहीं रखती हूँ. देन आई वॉश माई फेस. सो या guys, I am done with my shower and my skincare. Now I am getting ready and currently the time is 1:51 p.m. Now I am getting ready because I had to go somewhere and हम कहाँ जा रहे हैं? This I will tell you once I get ready. So yeah, let me get ready first and then I'll talk to all of you. Guys, I am all ready and हम कहाँ जा रहे हैं? Guess what? Do you remember in the last vlog मैंने बताया था कि there is a Zudio here nearby my area and वो उस time closed था ड्यू टू द रेनोवेशन बट फ्रॉम समवेयर आई गॉट टू नो कि वो परमानेंटली क्लोज हुआ है विच वॉज अ फॉल्स न्यूज़ बाय द वे सो द जूडियो इन माई एरिया हैज़ ओपनड अप एंड we are going there today so I'm so happy about it वैसे तो I'm not sure कि मैं कुछ खरीदूंगी भी या नहीं बिकॉज मुझे ऐसा एज सच कुछ परचेज नहीं करना है लास्ट टाइम करना था बट अभी नहीं करना है but let's see if I like something I will definitely purchase it so I'm definitely not going there to do some kind of time pass or so I will be purchasing something or the other definitely yeah that's the thing so yeah let's go and see how the collection is if I like something I will definitely purchase it now let's go Guys, I am at Zudio and look at the collection. यहाँ पे कुछ footwears रखे हैं and here is the clothing collection. And I am showing you some of the pieces here. Now some more footwears and footwear का stock काफ़ी अच्छा था but जो हमें चाहिए है वो नहीं था. By the way, here I am and this is my outfit for the day. And yeah, now we are at our favorite corner that is nails and makeup section and इतने ज़्यादा प्रिटी कलर्स थे दैट आई गॉट लिटरली कन्फ्यूज्ड कि मुझे कौन सा शेड लेना चाहिए बट देन आई फिगर्ड इट आउट गाइज आई एम बैक मैं 4:30 को ही घर आ गई थी अभी हो रहा है 5 PM and I took a quick 10-minute nap and now I have to rush down to take my tuitions. Now look at the condition of my hand and my nails. These are all the products I tried and I ended up buying. Let me show you. I ended up buying just these two of them. Actually मुझे clothing में भी काफ़ी कुछ purchase करना था but I did not like anything so that is the reason. First I wanted a black puffer jacket which was not available. Then I wanted winter boots जिनकी length you know ankle length से थोड़ी ऊपर हो but बूट्स का तो कोई कलेक्शन ही नहीं था सो एंड आई एम द काइंड ऑफ पर्सन हु buys whatever she actually likes so yeah that is the reason I ended up getting only 2 nail paints so yeah now let's go take our tuitions because it's time for tuitions now so let's go done with my tuitions now I will take rest for some time have my tea and uske baad we'll see what to do next so my precious people I am back in my room okay so I cleaned my nails because I never keep them tacky either I maintain a clean manicure or else I keep my nails bare so yeah this is the situation right now feel tired so what I'll do next is quickly change and uske baad I will get this makeup removed do my nighttime skincare and uske baad I'll catch you guys okay guys done with my skincare look how glowy dewy nourished and healthy my skin looks after I am done with my skincare now I am going to upload one shorts video on YouTube one reel on Instagram and one spotlight on Snapchat because the time is going to be 8:30 PM and मैं daily इसी time पे content upload करती हूँ on my social media so yeah let's do that I am done with uploading a video this video is live now on my YouTube channel please go and have a look now it's time to study guys I'm not yet done but look at the time 10:30 हो रहे हैं and I feel कि हमें dinner करना चाहिए and this is going to be our dinner for the night I have soya chunks की chutney rice roti and I'm enjoying Big Boss and Gaurav Khanna is my favorite contestant by the way who is your favorite do tell me in the comments okay dinner के बाद I am applying this scalp serum जो मुझे डॉक्टर ने दिया है and इसे अप्लाई करके आई मसाज माई स्कैल्प फॉर 2 minutes और सो एंड देन आई टाई माई हेयर इन अ बबल ब्रेड और अ ब्रेड एंड उसके बाद आई स्लीप. So yeah, that is it for today's video. If you like such kind of vlogs, then please give it a big fat thumbs up, share as much as possible, subscribe to my channel and follow me on all my socials. Link in the description bar below. Also write down in the comment section what do you want to see next. Remember, your wish is my command. Till then, this is Mivin signing off. I shall see you all in my next video. Bye.